Good morning, my dear friends. I am Shubham Sinaik, who will give some basic knowledge on another important element of weather, and that is wind. Wind is a natural movement of air around us. The air moves from the high pressure area to low pressure area. That is called blowing of the wind, caused by the unevenity of the earth's surface by the sun. Two factors are necessary to specify the wind. One is speed of the wind, another is direction of the wind. Speed of the wind measured by the instrument called anemometer. It has four half cups on arm rotating around the central axis as per the speed of the wind. The direction of the wind measured by the instrument called wind band. The arrow head will point to the direction where the wind is coming from. These two instruments are found on the top of the weather station or at an elevated position. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.